Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Seat. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Seat Ibiza FR. Now of course you get full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You then also get these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Around to the rear now, we've also got partial LED tail lights. Inside the boot we have plenty of space in here as well, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car we have full black cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom, electric windows all round. Into the front we have a 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control. Then we also have your infotainment display, which comes with your satellite navigation. You've got your various radio bands and media sources, and then you also have full link, which enables Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Then over to the steering wheel, you've got your audio volume, voice assistant and track select. Over to the right you have your onboard computer controls. Your cruise control is on the indicator stalk, and as you can see, this Ibiza has done 50,287 miles. Coming back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Seat Ibiza, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Seat.